Imagine earning an easy $100 every single day, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of selling AI images on Adobe Stock. In this digital age, monetizing your creativity has never been easier. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to start making $100 daily. This is your chance to turn your virtual artistry into a profitable venture. So buckle up and get ready to unlock a lucrative income stream. Bye. Starting anything new can be daunting, and selling AI images on Adobe Stock is no different. But don't worry, we've got your back. Now let's talk about some of the challenges you might face as a beginner. The first hurdle is creating high-quality AI images. It's not just about having a good eye for composition or color. You need to understand how to use AI tools effectively to create images that are not just visually stunning, but also meet the technical requirements of Adobe Stock. Next, you'll need to get familiar with Adobe Stock's submission guidelines and requirements. It's not as simple as clicking upload and waiting for the money to roll in. You need to ensure your images meet Adobe's quality standards, have the right metadata, and are properly categorized. This can feel overwhelming at first, but remember, every successful seller on Adobe Stock was once a beginner like you. Then comes the question of pricing. How much should you charge for your AI images? Set the price too high and you might not make many sales. Set it too low and you could be underselling your work. It's a delicate balance and one that often takes a bit of trial and error to get right. And lastly, there's the challenge of standing out in a crowded marketplace. Adobe Stock is home to millions of images from creators all around the world. How do you make your AI images stand out in such a competitive environment? It's a question that every new seller on Adobe Stock grapples with. But these challenges shouldn't deter you. They are stepping stones to your success. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and learning. With the right mindset, tools, and strategies, you can overcome these hurdles and start earning a steady income from selling AI images on Adobe Stock. So, let's dive deeper into how you can create, optimize, and price your AI images for success in the next scenes. Stay tuned. The first step to making money on Adobe Stock is creating high-quality AI images that buyers want. To get started, you'll need an AI software like Adobe Illustrator. Here, you can create unique, eye-catching images that stand out. Remember, the more original your images, the better. While creating your AI images, consider who might buy them. Are they for businesses needing visuals for their websites? Or perhaps for individuals seeking unique wall art? With your audience in mind, design images that meet their specific needs. Once you've created your AI images, it's time to optimize them for Adobe Stock. This involves adding appropriate keywords and categories. Keywords help potential buyers find your images when they search Adobe Stock. Choose words that accurately describe your image and consider what potential buyers might search for. Categories, on the other hand, help Adobe Stock organize your images on their platform. Choose the most relevant category for each image to increase its visibility. But it's not just about keywords and categories. You also need to ensure your images are of high resolution. Adobe Stock buyers often require high-quality images for their projects, so the higher the resolution, the better. It's also a good idea to offer different versions of the same image. For instance, you might offer a black and white version alongside a colored one. This gives potential buyers more options and increases your chances of making a sale. Finally, keep an eye on trends. What's popular today might not be popular tomorrow. Regularly updating your AI image portfolio with fresh, trendy images can help keep your sales steady. Remember, the more appealing and optimized your images are, the more likely they are to sell. It takes time and effort to create high-quality, optimized AI images. But with patience and persistence, you can start earning a solid income on Adobe Stock. In the upcoming scene, we'll delve deeper into how to price your AI images appropriately. Pricing is a crucial aspect of selling on Adobe Stock, and getting it right can significantly boost your income. Stay tuned for that. Now that you've got your stunning AI images ready, the next step is pricing them right. The price tag you place on your work is not just a number, it's a statement of value. It communicates the worth of your creativity and skill. So, how do you go about setting a competitive price for your AI images on Adobe Stock? First off, consider the quality of your images. High-quality AI images that are unique and visually appealing can command higher prices. If your image is clear, well-composed, and offers something different from the thousands of other images out there, don't be afraid to price it a bit higher. Next, take into account the uniqueness of your images. Are they offering something that is not widely available on the platform? If yes, then you have a unique selling point that can justify a higher price. Uniqueness can come in different forms. It could be a unique perspective, a rare subject matter, or an unusual style of rendering. Also keep an eye on market trends. What types of images are selling well on Adobe Stock? What prices are they fetching? Use this information to guide your pricing strategy. Remember, the goal is not to undercut the competition, but to offer fair value for your work. Finally, don't forget to factor in your time and effort. Creating AI images is not a walk in the park. It requires time, skill, and often a good deal of trial and error. Make sure your pricing reflects this. Bear in mind that pricing is an ongoing process. You may need to adjust your prices as you gain more experience, receive feedback, and observe market trends. Is a fine balance between making your work accessible and ensuring you're adequately compensated for your creativity and hard work. Pricing is a crucial step. Set it right, and you've won half the battle. Remember, your work is valuable. Ensure your pricing reflects that. The world of Adobe Stock awaits your unique AI images. Happy selling. Now let's dive into the key strategies that can help you start earning $100 daily. Firstly, consistency is key. Make it a habit to continually add new and diverse images to your portfolio. This not only shows your versatility as an artist, but also increases your visibility on Adobe Stock. Remember, the more images you have, the higher your chances of making a sale. Secondly, do your homework. Study successful sellers on Adobe Stock. Look at what types of images they're selling, how they're pricing them, and how they're presenting them. This can give you a wealth of information and insight into what works and what doesn't. Thirdly, understand what buyers want. Adobe Stock is used by a wide range of individuals and businesses, from graphic designers and marketers to publishers and advertisers. Each of these buyers has different needs and preferences. The more you understand about what your potential customers are looking for, the better you can tailor your images to meet those needs. Next, focus on quality over quantity. While it's important to have a diverse portfolio, that doesn't mean you should sacrifice quality for the sake of quantity. Each image you upload should be your best work. High-quality images not only sell better, but they also reflect positively on your reputation as a seller. Finally, don't underestimate the power of keywords. When uploading your images, you'll have the opportunity to add keywords that describe your images. These keywords play a crucial role in helping potential buyers find your images. So, take the time to choose relevant, accurate keywords for each of your images. Implementing these strategies consistently can significantly increase your chances of success on Adobe Stock. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building a sustainable income stream over time. Implement these strategies, and you're well on your way to earning $100 a day. So, there you have it. The exact steps to make an easy $100 every single day by selling AI images on Adobe Stock. We've tackled the initial challenges, learned how to create and optimize high-quality AI images, and discovered the key strategies to set the right prices and succeed. The potential earnings are truly impressive. Now it's your turn. Start creating, optimizing, and selling your AI images today. And don't forget to share your success stories in the comments section. Happy selling!